How's it going, guys? It's Kyle, or the How To Guy 123 here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 for free with no data loss. So all your files and programs will still be there after you upgrade. However, it's still a good idea to back up any important files in the unlikely event that something does go wrong. To begin, the first thing you need to do is make sure that your PC is compatible with Windows 11. The easiest way to check is using Microsoft's PC Health Check app. To get it, head to the first link in the description below. And once you're on this webpage, it gives you some information about Windows 11 and why you should upgrade. But just scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see a section that says Check for Compatibility. Here we can download the PC Health Check app. You can also manually check the minimum system requirements for Windows 11 if you'd like. But the PC Health Check will automatically do a hardware check for us to see if Windows 11 is compatible with our PC. Once the PC Health Check app is done downloading, it pretty much just installs like any other program. Just accept the license agreement and click install, and the PC Health Check app will take under a minute to install. Once the PC Health Check app is opened, it will look something like this. Click Check Now under Introducing Windows 11 to check if your PC is compatible. As you can see, my PC meets the requirements for Windows 11. If your PC does not meet the minimum requirements, you can click See Results to review in more detail what hardware in your computer needs to be upgraded in order to run Windows 11. You can still install Windows 11 on an uncompatible PC with some workarounds, and if you are interested in a tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below and I can make a video on it. Anyways, now that we know if Windows 11 can run on our PC, we can close out of the PC Health Check app, and we can now download and install Windows 11. There are a few ways we can do this, the first of which is to open up the settings, and then head to Update and Security, and you'll see a prompt to download and install Windows 11. Once you click on the Download and Install button, Windows 11 will download in the background, similar to any other Windows update. When it's done downloading and installing, you'll then be prompted to restart your PC, and then once your PC restarts, you'll boot back into Windows 11 and its setup. However, this is not the method I'm going to be using in this video. Additionally, if it doesn't ask you to upgrade in the settings, the method I'm about to show you will get around that. Now head to the second link in the description below, and this will bring you to a page on Microsoft's website with all the download options for Windows 11. On this page, you'll see three options to download and install Windows 11. The first of which is to use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, which is what we are going to download in this video. But you could also choose to use the Windows 11 Media Creation tool to upgrade your PC from there, or create a bootable Windows USB and install Windows 11 that way. You could also download the Windows 11 ISO and mount it to your PC, then run the setup from there. But as I mentioned, we're going to download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant as it's the easiest option to upgrade from Windows 10 without losing any data. So go ahead and click download now under the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and save it anywhere on your computer. It should only take a few seconds to download. When it's done downloading, go ahead and open it. Now click Accept and Install to accept the license agreement and to start the download for Windows 11. The download will take some time, especially if you have slower internet. After Windows 11 is done downloading, the Installation Assistant will verify your download, then begin to start the install. During the install, you can continue to use your PC until it's done. Just make sure to frequently save any important work, as your computer will restart on its own 30 minutes after the install reaches 100%. The Windows 11 installation can take upward of an hour, so be patient. Unfortunately for me, I kept running into this error every time I tried upgrading to Windows 11 using the Installation Assistant. I think this is due to having some corrupted system files, but it was a pretty easy fix. So if you also run into this error, just search for Command Prompt or CMD from the Start menu, right click on it and then run it as an administrator. And now run the following commands. I'll leave them in the description below so you can just simply copy and paste them if you'd like. First, I ran the sfc/scannow command, which will scan and fix any system file corruption issues. The next two commands will then scan the Windows 11 install image that we downloaded for any issues and then fix them. When the final command has finished, you can now close out a command prompt, restart your computer, and then run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant again, and hopefully this time around it will finish installing Windows 11 without any issues. Great, Windows 11 is now done installing. We now need to restart our PC, and we can choose to do this now or later. I'll choose to restart now. The installation assistant will then automatically restart your PC. And once your PC has finished restarting, Windows will then need to update your computer, and this might take a few minutes. Also during this part, your computer might restart a few times. Once Windows has finished updating, you'll then be brought to the login screen, so go ahead and log into your PC. After you've logged in, Windows 11 will then need another few minutes to get everything ready. And once Windows is done getting everything ready, you'll then be brought to your desktop. You can see that I am presented with the new Start menu, and at this point we have successfully upgraded to Windows 11 from Windows 10, and all of my files and programs are untouched. We can also head into the Settings, System, and then About to confirm that I am running Windows 11. And as you can see under Windows Specifications, I am now running Windows 11 Home. And that pretty much brings us to the end of the tutorial. If this video helped, please leave a like. If it didn't, leave a dislike. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.